Hello, my name is Eddie Tofpik. I'm Head of Technical Analysis and Senior Markets Analyst at ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here is your daily technical analysis of Brent crude oil and spot gold.
Hello and welcome. Before we start, I just want to let you know that no AI, that is artificial intelligence, was ever used in the composition, production or recognition of any of the patterns, levels, analysis or on any related items on these, my charts. This was all my own original work, as I think you deserve to have that. So with that, ICE Brent crude oil futures. A really unusual key reversal down there. It was also a fifth bearish black crow. Prices punched down through the congestion between 68.33 to 68.33 to 72.29, I'll get it right, which includes the almost immediately overhead rising green short medium moving average, currently at 69.03, and further up the slowly declining gold long moving average, currently 71.13. And indeed pushed below and out of, as well as below the mauve medium moving average, currently at 67.88, and another pattern which I will detail shortly. They also pushed down and closed below the July 2021 low at 67.43, which had been the next support below the 68.33 to 72.29 congestion. Okay, so the move lower has now truly impacted the third of three significant patterns, and that is the showrunner for this market since last summer. The many times broken and many times repaired, including this week, dark blue April to July bearish shift pitchfork. Prices pushed back down below and closed for a second consecutive session, back below the dark blue upper time, currently at 68.07. As I said last week, and I quote, this is still an influential pattern despite the breaks, both higher and lower. End of quote. The market's actions, especially around here, testify to this. And further below, we have the December 2021 low at 65.66, as well as the combined May and August 2021 level of 2021 lows, currently at 64.58. Before we come to the interesting bright red neckline extension, currently 63.89, I continue to watch these actions very carefully, especially that bearish pitchfork. Now, so far today, a retracement back up to the July 21 low, but seemingly capped there, and prices have turned back down towards where they opened. Spot gold, a reactionary bearish black crow yesterday after the previous session's second consecutive, if slightly higher, indecisive spinning top pattern. That was also a fourth bullish white soldier. Prices closed back below, though not too far below, the extension to the broken lower bull channel line, currently at 33.84. And that's of the late June to late July bull channel. Last week and this week, again, prices, this week's actions so far can be summed up by the market being supported by the rising mauve medium moving average below, currently at 32.87, and capped by the broken lower bull channel line. Interestingly, it seems the green short medium moving average, currently 33.44, only capped the market in the first part of last week, but it has a few days of this week. But it has shown instead how support on the way up late last week and the first few, and support also on the on the first few days of this week as well. Now, overall, we seem to be setting up for some sort of rectangle pattern now from mid-April today, between roughly the June low at 32.47 and the June high at 34.59. Though I would rather wait and see what may come from all these developments. Now, so far today, well, a lower open, but then a move higher up through the broken lower bull channel line, though not stabilizing over it as yet.
Thank you for listening. This short version broadcast gives the essential market patterns and consequences. Please be aware of the risk disclaimer posted both at the front and at the back of this broadcast. Copyright is Eddie Tofpik and ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here comes the final important bit.